Hey guys, welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. Check this out. I want to share something with you guys. Look at this Jeep. This man built it himself, guys. Can you believe it? Let me show you a closer look. Look at that, guys. This is like straight out of Dubai. Have you seen anything like this? This is amazing. Wow. So in case you guys are wondering if the rear is four-wheel drive, this rear doesn't do anything. It's just basically just the two tires. So the only ones that's rolling is basically these here, being a four-wheel drive system. Very awesome, sir. You did a fine job. How long did it take you to make this conversion?
I did 1 month dry fitting with cardboard boxes, milk crates, 1 weekend to weld it up.
Man, you are good to do that fast. That is like the quickest conversion ever. My goodness, guys. Leave in the comments below, what do you think? This is definitely one of a kind. I'll probably never see another one. Designed here is he actually slid part of the other frame inside of the frame to make it strong, and put this bolt here and these brackets here. That's where the bumper used to be?
Right, so grade A bolts again, I threw it out my hose where the bumper hose used to be at. Grade A bolts again, the tire back in, and then we routed it.
Man, that's amazing. Are you like an engineer or something?
No, I just...
just do what you like to do, huh? That's amazing.